Fuck you, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Just fuck you. Fuck you, okay? You don't deserve to be at this football club. Just fuck off. Take your Hartley Portley. Like I said before, this is the third fucking time. Third fucking time I'm calling you out. Just fuck off. Fuck off to Norway and take Pastor Fred along with you. Maybe he can pray for you on the way. What fucking performance was this? What a bloody fucking game did we play today? Were we Manchester United or Queen's Park Rangers? Who the fuck were we playing today? Leicester. We shouldn't be losing to fucking Leicester. We won against AC Milan just 3 days ago. And we are losing 3-1 to Leicester. Do you even comprehend how fucking embarrassing this is? How fucking embarrassing this is? 3 fucking years you have been at this club, 3 or 2. Not a single trophy, not a single final you have reached. What fucking status do you have as a manager? What fucking status? No idea how some of your bloody pathetic fanatics still support you through all of this shit that's going on. I have no bloody idea how they still support you. Your tactics are shit, you are shit, and your player development is also shit. Game, I don't know what the fuck happened. I really have no words. Fred, what the fuck were you doing? You had 0 energy, 0 passing accuracy, 0 shots on target, 0 assists. What the fuck were you doing today? You were just dead weight. Dead fucking weight. Even Martial was better than you. Martial also did something. What the fuck did you do? Why the fuck did you come? Did you forget to do the rosary or something? What fucking performance was this? Were you a Manchester United player or Leicester City player? Who the fuck were you playing for? At least I thought FA Cup and Europa Cup we have some fucking chance. Not even semi-final we are reaching now. Not even semi-final. Some new record we are forming. 4 semi-final losses, 1 quarter-final loss. For next 3 years, I suppose we are going to lose 3 more quarter-finals just to make it equal. That's your end target, no, Ole? That's your end target. I'm really tired of you, bro. Just fuck off. Fuck off from here. Under you, we are not going to be a trophy team, okay? Some of the players also have to be offloaded and you are not taking any interest. 0 fucking interest. Absolute baller of a player you have given on loan to West Ham. Look at him. Look at Jesse fucking Lingard. Look how he is playing. Instead of Fred, if Lingard was there today, we would have fucking won. We would have fucking won. Just look at it, the guy, man. Look at Fred. What has Fred done? Has he even scored a goal also? Has he ever done that? No. Yet you are making him a regular in the starting 11. For what bloody reason? For what bloody reason? I'm just done backing you, bro. Just fuck off. Really. The only reason you are at this club is because you support Ed Woodward's agenda. That is only to get money. Ed Woodward is a banker and his bloody corrupt mentality only is to get money. The top 4 he is getting, that's your only target he's giving you, Ole. Because you are getting the money from the UFA for getting into the top 4. Nothing else. They are happy coming in top 4, but we the fans and you as a manager should not be fucking happy coming top 4 only in the season. It's a bloody disgrace. Disgrace is what it is. That's what this club has become now, disgrace. And oh, there are some fans that say that I want Manchester United to lose. That I am not backing the manager. For how long to back the manager? And I would want my own club to lose? How fucking twisted do you have to be to say that? Go get yourself admitted into some psychiatric institution. How fucking twisted do you have to be? Why the fuck would I want my own team to lose? Just because I am critical on their performances does not mean I want them to lose. When a player is wrong, he is wrong. You have to highlight that bad part so they can improve. Just because I criticize them doesn't mean I want my own team to lose, right? What bloody logic is that? And how long do you want to back the manager? For 10 years? That's when you want to win a trophy? For 10 years. Not everyone is Alex Ferguson, okay? Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is definitely not one of them. So just shush. Okay, I've seen enough of Ole. I'll be damned if he stays here for another 2 or 3 seasons. This season should be the fucking last. Top 4 and then fuck off. In Europa also I don't have high hopes. Granada also might fuck us. If Leicester can fuck us, Granada can fuck us as well. And that's over 2 legs. A fucking pathetic performance. Just ruins your bloody Sunday, ruins your full week also. Just go to international break, do whatever the fuck you want. Just stay there also. Especially Fred. Just stay in your country. Don't come back. We don't want you also. Fucking nonsense. And it's just not Fred today. The whole fucking team was abysmal. Abysmal fucking performance. Bruno and Rashford were getting a rest today. Rashford is not even on the bench. Bruno came on late. Cavani also came on late. What the fuck were the other players doing? What the fuck were they doing? I don't understand. And even the substitutions came on late. From the minute one, Leicester has been up our ass. Completely dominant and completely raping Maguire and Lindelof with their front attackers. Not one performance, not one clear build-up we have done. Only that goal, which I commend Donny and Greenwood for. And I think Telles gave the assist, or Pogba, I don't know. Other than that goal, nothing. Zero fucking creativity. Zero. I can't even see the fucking zero. It's that small. That's how our balls were also today. It's like they went up our ass and just decided to stay there. Really pathetic. At least Fred is not working. I don't know. At least the other players should fucking step up, no? We are famous for coming back and all. From 3-0, 3-1, 3-2 and all. We used to come back. What we are doing now? We're just sitting back. Even when we are 3-1, come, hit 4, hit 5. Let's get fucking raped more. What bloody mentality is this? This thing has to be instilled on in the player's mind by the coach. And obviously, by looking at our latest results, the coach is not doing a good job. I'm done. Really, I'm done. I don't even blame Henderson. Henderson didn't also do anything wrong. It's our defensive errors today. Complete defensive errors. Pathetic, man. Really pathetic. No trophy. Another season without trophy. How long are we going to go on like this? It's like our virginity is not going broken only. Trophy virginity. Last it was broken in 2017. Now it's grown back and just stayed there like a cobweb. It's fucking done. Done with United. Really.